Hi students, MCQ number 27. During an adiabatic process, the pressure P of a fixed mass of an ideal gas changes by delta P and its volume changes by delta V. If gamma equal to Cp by Cv, then delta V by V is given by which of the four options? So very simple question again. Now for an adiabatic process, there are three equations of state. Now we have to use the equation of state relating the pressure and the volume. So for an adiabatic process, P into V power gamma is equal to constant. This is the equation of state relating pressure and volume changes. Now both P as well as volume V are variables. Both are changing. So I am going to differentiate this equation by UV method. Okay, keeping pressure as constant. So I will differentiate V power gamma. So this will become gamma into V power gamma minus 1 into delta V. So P is kept constant, V power gamma is differentiated. I have got gamma into V power gamma minus 1 into delta V plus. Now V power gamma should be kept constant. So V power gamma. Okay, so I can put this in bracket so that you can understand clearly. So in the second term, V power gamma is kept constant, P is differentiated, so this will become what? Delta P. And the right hand side, differentiation of a constant is equal to what? 0. Okay. So now P into gamma into V power gamma minus 1 into delta V, I will retain on the left hand side. This next second term is taken to the right hand side so that it will become minus. So minus of V power gamma into delta P. We need what? Delta V by V, is it not that? So I will take delta V is equal to minus of V power gamma into delta P whole divided by the remaining terms will come here, no? So this is gamma into P into V power gamma minus 1. Now this V power gamma and V power gamma minus 1, no? So this is equal to minus of V power gamma minus gamma plus 1. The powers of V. So gamma, this will come as minus gamma, minus 1 will become plus 1, okay? Into delta P divided by gamma times P. So this power gamma get cancelled. So remaining is V. Therefore, left hand side is what? Delta V is equal to minus of V into delta P divided by gamma times P. Now what is required for us is the ratio delta V by V. So this V is brought to the left hand side. Therefore, delta V divided by V is equal to minus of delta P divided by gamma times P. So this is the required answer for us. Okay. So which is the option? So option C is minus delta P divided by gamma times P. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. So this actually we have derived now. Mathematically we have derived, but by practice we should be in memory. We should keep this in memory. Understand? So change in volume divided by original volume is equal to minus 1 by gamma times change in pressure by original pressure. Okay. So this expression, even if you understood also, better to keep this in memory always. Understand? I hope you must have understood well. Fine.